Welcome everyone. Today at Prime Trade, I'll be discussing over what exactly is Prime Trade and how we plan to do everything with Prime Trade. Anyways, your host right now is Andy Gonzalez. I am the CEO of Prime Trade. So first thing first, coming up, what exactly is Prime Trade? So Prime Trade is an online educational system. We offer a variety of courses depending on the need of the individual. We do focus on financial independence and how to build more stable streams of income. There's a bunch of stuff that we focus on, and basically our goal is to create an experience for each individual that comes in hopes of them creating their own financial freedom and their own financial stability. The CEO of Prime Trade, that is your host today. My name is Andy Gonzalez. I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur. I started day trading in the stock market when I was 17 years old. I was trading at 17 years old off of my mother's account, and I lost all of my money the first two times of being in the stock market. As they say, third time's the charm. I went in for my last time. I knew it was my last time because I could not afford to lose another $1,000. I was just saying, if I lose again, then I guess the stock market isn't for me. So I went in for my last time after studying extensively and made a lot. I've made all my money back, and my portfolio right now is currently growing every single day. I then got into wholesaling real estate and was able to master it in a few months. I failed a lot, and I wish there was something on the internet to guide me through the stock market and wholesaling, but there wasn't. There was information, but it was all scattered. And the online, there's a bunch of information, but it's just an excessive amounts of information online. There's just way too much information. So for a new beginner, it's going to be hard to find all that information and like puzzle it together and be able to achieve what they want to achieve. How is Prime Trade making money? As of right now, we aren't making any money. I first want to build my audience high enough to be able to monetize it. I'm planning to reach 10K followers by the end of the year and 5,000 Discord members. Then I will start selling my course and monetizing my Discord. The reason I'm not monetizing right now is because all I'm providing right now on my TikTok and Discord is free knowledge. And as long as people see that I'm giving everything for free, people are gonna start following me, following me, following me. And when they see that I provide good value and everything I say is because I've done it before, then that's when I'm gonna start monetizing it, and they wouldn't lose anything because they already saw my way of teaching. And if they don't like the way I teach, then they wouldn't get the course. But the course is for like the individuals that really want to pursue that type of financial freedom. So price for my course slash Discord. So the first course I will sell will be by wholesaling and the stock market. So the wholesaling and the stock market course will be together. So in one course, I will guide the students on getting their first wholesale deal, and in the same course, I will teach them how to make money in the stock market and how to swing trade and everything you need to know in the stock market so you won't lose money like I did. This course will take about 3 weeks to complete. And the reason it's going to take 3 weeks is because I don't have an editor or anything, and I'm still learning how to edit and everything. But I'm trying to be able to hire someone on Fiverr to like edit all my videos and stuff. I have a camera right now, but all I need is a Fiverr individual to edit all my videos. My course, I'm going to price it at 300, which in my opinion, I think is extremely low for the amount of information I'm about to provide. But 300 is a good starting point. So for my Discord, I will charge $10 as a monthly membership. So each month is going to be $10, $10, $10. So 10K TikTok followers and 5K Discord members. So that's my goal. That's what I want to achieve before the end of the year. So after reaching 10K followers, I will start selling my course. I have high hopes for my course because many people already asked me to make one. I'm planning to be able to sell 50 plus times each month at a price of $300. So I'm hoping to sell uh, 50 courses. I'm hoping to sell the course 50 times, and if I am able to sell it 50 times, which I think I will be able to, I will profit 15,000 each month. I then plan to monetize my Discord server for a monthly fee of $10. If I have 5,000 Discord members and only 3,000 of them stay after I monetize it, that means I will be making a profit of 30,000 each month. So the reason that I'm having high hopes for my course is because as of right now, I'm currently teaching online classes for just anyone that wants to come in and learn about wholesaling and the stock market. I do my Zoom classes every Saturday at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. And a lot of people get a lot of information from me, and they tell me that I'm a good host and that I know how to like really like simplify things in order for them to understand it. And a lot of them were asking me to make an individual course and also do a mentorship, like a one-on-one, which the mentorship I still haven't put into my business plan yet. If I do add the mentorship, then the mentorship would be at least 500 a month. The reason is because it will take a lot of my time out of my day to be able to help you whenever you need it 24/7. So my TikTok, this is my credentials right now. I started my TikTok Prime Trade about, I think it was 18 days ago. Yes, it was 18 days ago that I started my TikTok account, and I've been growing extremely fast. All my videos average around 1,000 views and around 200 likes. You can see on my left side right here where I'm pointing with my cursor, my analytics is 60,000 video views in the last 18 days. And with followers, I have 1,894 followers out of the last 18 days. And for this, I have been growing extremely fast, and I'm planning to be able to grow this fast till the end of the year in hopes to reach 10K followers on TikTok and 5,000 Discord members. So right now, my Discord, this is my Discord. You see, we have 82 members and 7 people are currently online as when I took this picture. So I started my Discord today, recently, like about a few hours ago before I made this video. And a lot of people are getting a lot of information from me. They're saying that this is one of the most helpful Discords that they're in because I answer every single message that goes on there. Even if I'm doing something, I answer the message because I'm trying to, as I said, Prime Trade. At Prime Trade. I'm trying to create an individualized experience for each and every student that joins. And right now, everything is free. And I tell everyone that all my stuff is free because I believe in free knowledge. That knowledge should be free. So the future of Prime Trade, so Prime Trade's future is to create multiple office buildings that people can go to and either trade in the stock market with pros. Like what I mean by that is they can go in and feel like they can feel like they're in an actual firm, like a trading firm. They can feel like they're confident enough to trade because they have a pro next to them, and the pro will be telling them what they're gonna go into. So, for example, let's say that I'm the pro and I'm there with them. I'm getting two call options or two shares on Apple at a strike price of blah blah blah, and they'll be like, okay, that sounds pretty good, let me see it. And they'll look at it, see if they want to hop in or not, and if they do, then they'll get in, and then we'll do that. Well, that's what I plan to do. And also, I want to teach my classes for wholesaling in the stock markets. I want to teach them. I want to have like one-on-one classes or an actual class. Also, in the future, I'm trying to add a YouTube channel down the road.